Today we are going to talk about the various overview of dietary trace elements. So the trace element in the body are required in about 1 to 100 mg per day. The various trace element includes copper, fluoride, zinc, iodine, iron, selenium, and so on. So in this video I am going to talk about most important trace elements that are copper, fluoride, iodine, iron, and zinc. In this video I'll talk about the various functions of these trace elements and what are the various manifestations that occur if there is deficiency of those trace elements. Now let us proceed towards the copper. So copper, let us first discuss about the biological function of the copper. So as we already know that various enzymes in our body requires copper. So various enzymes in our body requires copper for its function. So now first one is zinc-copper superoxide dismutase. It acts as antioxidant. Another is dopamine mono-oxygenase. It is required for neurotransmitter synthesis. Another is Lysyl oxidase. It is required for collagen cross-linking and bone formation. Another is Ceruloplasmin. In the ceruloplasmin, the copper, it is the copper transporter and ferroxidase. The Cytochrome 3 oxidase involved in the electron transport. The factor 5 involved in the thrombosis. The Tyrosinase involved in the melanin production. So in this all various enzymes, the copper is required in trace amount. So what are the various manifestations that occur if there is deficiency of copper? There will be fragile, abnormally formed hair, depigmentation of the skin. There could be myeloneuropathy, hepatosplenomegaly, and osteoporosis. In the neurological disorder, there could be ataxia and neuropathy. Let us discuss towards the hematological manifestation. In the hematological manifestation, there could be anemia, neutropenia, and dysplastic changes in the bone marrow. So these are all the manifestations that occurs if there is deficiency of copper. Now let us discuss about fluoride. The main function of fluoride is increases the osteoblastic activity when it is taken inside the bone. So main function of fluoride is it increases the osteoblastic activity of bones and it prevents the dental caries. So if there is deficiency of fluoride, then there is more chance of dental caries in our body. Another one of the trace element is iodine. The iodine helps to form T3 and T4 hormone. If there is decreased amount of iodine, then there could be the goiter, hypothyroidism, and there could be the intellectual disability and increased neonatal and infant mortality. So this you have to know very well. So now let us discuss about the iron. The biological role of the iron arises from its reactivity. So while changing it to Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, there is production of the free radicals. And this free radicals is has very deleterious effect to our various surface membrane. The iron is present in our body in the form of heme protein. Most important heme protein are hemoglobin that helps in oxygen transport and myoglobin that helps in storage of oxygen in the protein in the tissues. So what happens if there is decreased amount of iron in our body? There could be the microcytic hyperchromic anemia. This you have to know better. So another is zinc. The main function of zinc is to hold the structural and regulatory and catalytic function of the body. So it mainly involves in the cell division, apoptosis, and formation of the zinc fingers, that is transcription factor motifs. Zinc fingers are transcription factor motif that I have already discussed in the genetic chapter. So what happens if there is decreased amount of zinc in our body? There will be delayed wound healing, suppressed immunity, there could be the male hypogonadism, decreased adult hair, there could be the dysgeusia, anosmia, and there could be the one condition called acrodermatitis enteropathica. This can occur if there is deficiency of zinc. So we discuss about the dietary trace element, that is copper, fluoride, iodine, iron, and zinc. I hope you understood this lecture. Thank you.